Hi guys, welcome to my channel. No audio output and device install. So restart the Windows Auto Service. So first click to type start services. Right click to run as administrator. Then find out Windows Audio. So press W and scroll down. You can see Windows Audio. So double click, select the automatic, stop, start, and then apply and then OK. Then next, audio endpoint builder, open it. No, you can directly select this and left hand side restart options there. Okay. Okay. Then close it. Then next method, check the device manager. So click to start, type device manager, open it. Then extract sound and video game controller first. Right click, update driver and update. Close it. Then audio, speaker, right click, update driver and update and then close it. Otherwise you can do like right click to uninstall also, uninstall. Then Realtek audio driver also right click to uninstall, uninstall. Okay, then click to actions and then click to scan and hardware changes. After that it will come back and then close it. Next, reinstall the audio driver. So first open any browser to type Intel Smart Sound Technology Driver and hit enter. So first link, this is Intel official website, so click on it. Scroll down. Type driver download. Scroll down. Not this is website. So this link dell.support.second website. Scroll down. This is download exe. Okay, SD audio, and after that it will start in the download in progress. Then it is downloaded. Just open it, open this driver which is downloaded. Then click to install. After that click to next. Yes, next, next. Now this is older uninstalling and latest one installing. Now select yes and I want to restart now, but I have some important command to recover your old data, so click to no and then finish it. Next is very important. Click to start, type cmd. I have two command, this is very important, so right click to run as administrator. So guys, this command, so first copy this command, I will give you in description so you can copy and paste and type here. Just right click, otherwise right click on administrator and then edit and click to paste, so it will paste it. Okay, and then hit to enter, so it will start scanning and detecting malware, bad sector. Okay, and it will restore it, which is corrupted file. This is first command and then this is second command. Then this is completed. Then type sfc space less scan now and then hit enter. So same thing it then when it is 100% both completed one by one, and then restart your system and then please check it. Okay, thank you.